Hello everybody. We have all heard the expression to burn one's boats. It probably has its origin in history, maybe with Alexander in Greece or with Cortés in Mexico. An army has to make a critical decision. Do they go forward into the unknown or do they go back? By burning their boats, they remain with no choice. Now they have to go forward. The problem with this example is that they have no choice. Whereas for a Christian, there is always a choice. A Christian who makes a decision does so freely because he wants to. The one who follows Jesus does so because he wants to, because he is free to do so. In today's gospel, we see somebody who is burning his boat. It is St. Peter. He has been following Jesus now for some time. But this is the moment of a critical decision. Should he now go forward or should he go back? Many other people have rejected Jesus and are turning away. What should Peter do? He realizes that following Jesus will not be easy. It will be a difficult and lonely path. He looks at Jesus and says, "Where could we go? You have the words of eternal life." Peter has burned his boat. He will follow Jesus to the end. We too have to make critical decisions sometimes in our life, in our work, in our career, in our marriage, in our family, in many other things. We too have to burn our boat. But if we keep our eyes on Jesus, if we keep his hand in our hand, then we never have to fear. He is the way, the truth, and the life. I remember a wonderful song sung by a very nice group of young people some years ago. And it went, "I have decided to follow Jesus, no turning back, no turning back." And I must admit that when I myself am a little discouraged or under the weather, I hear these words in my heart, and they always give me the courage I need. No turning back. You could try it. God bless you and have a wonderful Sunday.